are you? Do you fine? I'm Murad El Busadi from channel newpost.info. Today I'll show you how to install in Visual Studio Code in your computer. Visual Studio Code is a code editor redefined and optimized for building and debugging modern web and cloud applications. First, go to site web for Visual Studio Code code.visualstudio.com and click to link for site web Visual Studio and go to page download in the site web and download for Windows or any operation system and click to download. Go to download the page and click more to download for downloading the software Visual Studio Code. Attend the finishing for downloading on your computer. Visual Studio Code is downloaded on your computer. For tabs on the step for installing the software in your computer. First step is click to icon VC Code user into your computer. Accept the agreement for their software or learn the term for the software. On the icon, click to next for confirmation installation. Create a desktop icon on your desktop. Click to install for your computer. Not installing in your computer. Please wait. Step install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Visual Studio Code is create a extracting file in your computer. Is much time for extracting file in your computer. Visual Studio Code is good software for programming language. Is accepted the more language programming, Python and HTML and CSS and more language programming software. I'm not on finishing installing. The etap on click to finished and launch Visual Studio Code. On launching Visual Studio Code to programming your first application in any language program in your computer. On code the HTML tag P. The formula for the area of a circle is A equals var beta var slash var r sub 2 sub slash sub P. Guys, I'm finishing the installing Visual Studio Code on your computer. Guys, like my channel and subscribe and watch more videos for more software. Guys, goodbye.